Finding hidden apps on Android can be a useful skill to have, especially if you are concerned about your device's security or want to monitor your child's phone usage. To start, open the Settings app on your Android device and scroll down to the Apps or Application Manager section. Here you will see a list of all the apps installed on your device, including system apps and third-party apps. Look for any app that you do not recognize or that is not visible on your home screen or app drawer. Another way to find hidden apps is to use the app drawer. To do this, open the app drawer and click on the three dots or the menu icon. Select the Show Hidden Apps or Hide Apps option, depending on the device you are using. You can also use the device administrator or the security settings to find hidden apps. Open the Settings app and go to the Security or Lock Screen section. Look for the Device Administrator or Other Security Settings option and select it. Here you will see a list of all the apps that have been granted Device Administrator privileges, which may include hidden apps. Be cautious when revoking Device Administrator privileges, as this may affect the functionality of certain apps. To prevent apps from being hidden in the future, consider using a third-party app launcher that provides more control over app visibility and management. You can also use a mobile security app to scan your device for malicious or hidden apps. When finding hidden apps, it is essential to exercise caution and not to delete any system apps or apps that you are not sure about. Deleting the wrong app can cause system instability or other issues with your device. By following these steps, you can find and manage hidden apps on your Android device and help keep your device secure and running smoothly. Remember to always monitor your device's app permissions and be cautious when installing new apps to prevent hidden apps from being installed in the future.